an experiment based on the evolution of carbon dioxide through chemical reactions. Let's see.
And pour the vinegar in the next conical pipe. Baking soda in the balloon. How beautifully it inflates.
Potassium permanganate solution, and this is NaOH, which is also called as sodium hydroxide, and this is sucrose, also called as sugar. This is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is potassium permanganate. Color is purple. Now it turns into green. Now oxidation state will be +7. Now it turns into yellow color. Now the oxidation state will be +5. The color turns into brown color. Now the oxidation state will be +2. Now this is only called as Chameleon experiment because the color change is happening in one solution itself.
Electroplating. Electricity is passed through the solution. Copper metal from copper sulfate solution is deposited on cathode. This process is known as electroplating.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see an experiment on the centripetal force. Centripetal force is a force that keeps an object in a circular motion. So the force is towards the center of the circle. Let's see an experiment on it.
Did you see? The ball did not fall down when he lifted the glass.
Experiment called lava lamp.
So to do this activity we need some materials like cooking oil, baking soda and a mixture of vinegar and food color. So now we are going to add some oil into the beaker and we are trying to mix the solution. It is not mixing because the density of the oil and baking soda is different. Now we are going to pour the vinegar and food color mixture into the beaker. Now you can see that the lava-like substance is erupting from the bottom of the beaker.
On Raman effect, which is scattering of light.
Effect is a phenomenon where light scatters through a colloidal solution.
Glasses of normal tap water and one is a glass of water mixed with turmeric powder, which is you can see that there is no scattering of lights. In the colloidal solution you can see light ray which has been
I demonstrated the experiment of osmosis from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. The materials required are 3 potatoes, 2 raw potato and a boiled potato. That the first potato which has raw potato which have salt has been absorbed water from the outside and inside salt has been dissolved. In the second it doesn't the salt is as such, and in the third raw potato some of the water is absorbed from outside.